afternoon, theme park junkie fans. We are here at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure to do the Jurassic Park update. They have all the work walls up. So the whole entire Discovery Center is work walled all the way around. I mean, you can see the other side if you're on the other side of the lake. And you have these signs everywhere for the new Jurassic World. Let's see what's going on down here. Wonder if they're gonna open this back up. I don't really see anything. So, Discovery Center. It's all work walled up. And then as you're walking in, it's all work walled. Alright guys, but if you come to this side of the Discovery Center, you can go inside. There's Blue. Yeah, Blue, we're here for you. We can't wait for your new roller coaster. So that's the Raptor Encounter entrance. And you got work walls extended all the way out through here. And then even across. All the way down. Alright guys, so this is where the other photo op was. That's gone. Replaced with more work walls. That's it. Work walls on both sides. So I don't know if these work walls on this side are actually up because of the river adventure being closed, or if because this coaster is actually going to extend over into this section. There's like, I don't know, everybody's got their own leaked footage of what the coaster is going to look like, but nothing's been confirmed yet. So, and yes, River Adventure is closed right now, but it's only for annual maintenance. It'll be up and running shortly. Oh, we got a dinosaur.
Bray, coge Bray, Eli, tírala aquí. Eli. Eliani, tírala una. It's like, que le tiras una foto a los niños.
A couple more shots of River Adventure for you. And yeah, the park is a little bit on the crowded side today. And it's today's Sunday. I think that it wouldn't be so crowded. So, more work walls. That's for River Adventure. That should be up shortly, right after its maintenance. A ride that I've always wanted to ride. Haven't been on it yet. Maybe one of these days. Junkie fans, we hope you enjoyed the Jurassic Park update here at Islands of Adventure. If you guys like what we do, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, we're going to see you at a theme park.